Okay, so see over here, many, where is that went? Many. Okay, see, whenever you are adding to the many, over here one, this bracket also are important. We call as a, okay, your square bracket, and inside one rounded bracket, sorry, curly bracket and curly bracket, and in middle between I want to be a comma. Done. Okay, let's check also. Everything is perfect. Now name. No. I don't want to be insert. Sorry. Sorry. I did the mistake. So let's go back again. Yes. Let's go over here. Okay. Simply what happened? Your curly, your rounded bracket, and then after curly bracket open, curly bracket, two curly brackets. Why? Because I want to be one is the for searching purpose, where I have the grade is present. Okay, grade is present A. You can see where is the A grade present. I want everywhere. What is that? As a marks. Don't forget in middle between we need to put to the comma. Okay, comma, and then after I want to be a set at a one time. Yes, perfect. I want to be a set at a one time. Okay, what is that? Remark. Again, curly bracket open, curly bracket close. Remark. Okay, remark as a excellent, right? Excellent. Okay. Again, where is went to the cursor? Excellent, right? So let's see. I'm using enter button. See, it's done that. Right now I want to see all data. So what we do? What do we need to do? If I want to be see the data all, yes, show, right? No, not show. If you want to be see the all data, DB student find. DB student. Okay. Over here dot. It's again going up. See, student. Check it down now over here. Student. Then students dot find nothing. I just want to see full student. Check it. All data I can able to see. See, only where is excellent coming? Where we have A. If suppose how many A's are there, everywhere is the excellent is coming. Okay, even if you don't have to the any particular, the key are there. Always, your documents are storing in the key value. Key means what? Key means name is the key and value is the Amina2. Key again what? Age, and the value is what? 20. Key is what? Again your grade, and the value is what? A. Okay, so the key value pair data is storing. Now after what? After in this update we done, then after multiple documents also be done. Right now if we want to be delete something, right, isn't it? So what? DB student delete one, and what is the name? Are you getting? Very easy. If you want to do the multiple, then delete multiple, where we have to the grades as a B. Okay, let's do that also. Simple. What you need to be write? DB dot. Okay, it's again going down. Okay, I will be do one thing. I will be reopen. Simple, because it's much better. Mongo. Okay, Mongo. Okay. Okay. Again, I will be put that the what is that? MongoDB localhost. This one. Okay. Enter. Then I will be again use my school. Enter. Okay, then after I will be use over here, that is the command delete one, right? Let's delete the one command only. Where is the command? See over here. Simple. Delete student, DB students delete one only. Okay, so DB students dot delete only na delete one. Okay, which one you want to be delete? you want to be delete one, where is the name? Okay, name is suppose Rohit. Okay, where the Rohit name is coming, I want to delete that data. Enter. See, it is the deleted. Now I want to be see also. What is that? Find, no, what is that? DB dot student dot find. Okay, enter. Check it. Rohit data is not there, isn't it? Okay. Then after I want to delete a multiple records. But the reason is what, we don't have to the same value. Okay, if we have to the same value is present, then we can able to delete to the multiple data also. How we can delete? Simple, we need to write over here same command, again is going open, again is going to the up. Okay, so what is that? One, sorry, what we are writing to the command, db dot, we can say as a student. Okay, students dot many records I want to be changed, many, or delete many, or delete, what is that, delete many. Okay, then bracket open, bracket close, you can write over here proper which one you want to be deleted. Check it over here, suppose I want to be delete the grades. So we'll be right over here. I want to be delete to the grades. Okay. Which one is the B? Are you getting, means how many B grades we have, that all will be deleted. Okay. Right now only the, we don't have anything. Are you getting? So no, nothing will be the deleted. Check it over here. Enter button. See, acknowledge is the true and delete count is the 0. Why? Because we don't have any kind of data related to the B. Okay, apart from extra command, like you can count also how many documents you have, right? Suppose if you want to count how many documents you have, you just need to write db, okay, dot dot your, what is that, student, right? Students, then after count your document, count documents. Are you getting? Check it over and enter. How many documents you have? Two only, right? One and two after your delete. So you can count also that all stuff. Okay. Now whatever you created, you can drop also. Are you getting? Miss, drop table. Same like the drop student. Then everything will be a deleted. Perfect. And even if you want to delete your database, you can delete to the database also. Let's do that also. DB dot, I want to be a draw a student, right? Students, and I want to be a drop that. Okay, enter button, it's drop. Okay, then after I want to be a drop db dot, I want to drop what? Drop my database. Okay, D is capital. Drop database and my database name. What is my database name? School. Okay, enter. Okay, school is not defined. Okay, because we are inside of the school only right now. So let me check, command is right, db dot, ha. So I will be do one thing, I will be reopen this one. Okay, so mongo dbsh, mongo dbsh, or mongosh. Okay, then after you are that again back localhost, copy, paste, enter. Okay, then after what happened, I will be trying to delete that. So what is the command? Db dot drop database. Okay, and database name is school. Schools or school, enter. Schools is not refer, I think so. Is it? Then I think so another way we need to drop the data.